This is Santiago Santo Tomas, Batangas, and what we're looking at is your way going to Calamba and also Manila. This is Rancho Vista. This is your way going to Tanawan, Lipa. You can also head over to San Pablo using this road. Echo Brew is situated on the second floor of this building.
There you go. Sila ang mga staff ng Echo Brew. Ito yung mga menu nila. Kita nyo, ganda ng ambience.
Silicone yung ano niya, and made of stainless steel. Hindi ko lang suot yung akin. Talaga sa ano, ipapakilala niyo doon sa alabang kasalanan niya. Kami naman dito, binigay namin yung store namin, outlet. Kung may makagusto, actually, ganun talaga. Yeah. Mabagal siya bago pa natin mainom.
Thank you. So we're letting gravity work with this type of brewing method.
Picture mo rin naman.